Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. And all controls we have at the right ear cup. Let's get started with the power button. So with the power button, if you press and hold it, you will turn on or turn off your headphones. Now, if your headphones turn off, you can press and hold longer until this LED light start blinking. I guess it was red and white. It means that you enter to pairing mode. If you press and hold it for at least 3 seconds and you will see the white LED light, it means that you only turn on them. If you see the red LED light, you turn off them. Okay, next we have volume up button. It looks like a plus, and let me play some song. Oh, and I forget about power button. If you press one time on it while you listen to music, you will play or pause the song, or the movie, or the film, or the video. So press one time, and as you can see, I just pause it, press again, and I played. Also, with a single press, you can answer or finish the call by press one time the power button. And now let's move to volume up button. If you press one time, you will increase the volume. So I press it, and as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button and also press one time on it, and as you can see, I lower it. Now, if you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. So let's do this, press and hold, and as you can see, now I have another track. To play previous track, you need to press and hold at your volume down button. So press and hold, maybe again, yeah, and we play previous track. Also, we have ambient sound control button. So these headphones have 3 modes: normal mode, ANC, and transparency mode. Right now I use normal mode, and to enable ANC, you need to press one time at the ambient button. You will hear prompt ANC on, then you press again and you will play, and you will enable transparency mode and disable ANC, so press again. You will hear voice prompt ambient mode, and then if you press third time, you will return to the normal mode and you will hear ANC mode off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!